In this video, I will show you how to change your mouse cursor on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to change your mouse cursor on Windows 11, maybe you're just bored of the same plain cursor, there is a really cool website which you can use. So if you open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and you want to search for something called Sweezy Cursors, and then click onto the top result. So the official website is sweezy-cursors.com, and it looks like this. On here, you're going to find a ton of really cool mouse cursors that you can change to. So if we scroll down, you can see we've got some different categories. So we got like animals, where you can see cool animal ones, and there's also things like cars, basic, anime, cartoons, comics, cute, and you can just scroll through and see all the different ones. Now in this example, what I'm going to do is look into the games category, and what I'm going to do is go for this one here. This is really cool, this Roblox Forsaken and Sword cursor. Now to go ahead and change your mouse cursor to one of these, all you need to do, you're going to see a download button. So give that a click, and what you want to do is download the complete pack at the bottom. So this is a .zip file, so give that a click. And once that's downloaded, what you can do is find this by coming back to your desktop, come into the search box at the bottom, type in File Explorer into here, and opening up your File Explorer underneath Best Match. Now, once you've got this opened, if you come over to the menu on the left-hand side, you should see a Downloads folder. You might just need to scroll up or down, but click onto Downloads and you're going to find your folder. Once you found your folder, the first thing you need to do is unzip your folder. So click to highlight it, then right click, and on this menu that comes up, click onto Extract All. You can leave this set to the same folder, so it just extracts it to the same folder that you're already in, your Downloads folder, and then click Extract at the bottom. Now what that's going to do is extract the folder. It's going to automatically open a folder as well, but what you can do is just go ahead, close that down, and you can see we've got our unzipped folder here. Once that's done, you are good to go. So what we can do now is just close down our Downloads folder window, come down to the search box at the bottom, and this time in here you want to type mouse settings, and then open up mouse settings underneath Best Match. From here, what you want to do is scroll down into see the option for additional mouse settings, give that a click, and that's going to open up a mouse properties window. Now on here, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a few different tabs. What you need to do is click onto pointers, and then make sure you have the normal select highlighted. Once that's done, come down underneath and click onto the browse button, and what you want to do is locate the folder. So if you go back to your Downloads folder, you can normally access this if you come to the left and click onto desktop, and you should find your Downloads folder there. Then what you can do is double click to open up your cursor folder, and you can select your cursor from the list here. So I'm going to go for the Roblox Forsaken Sword. Let's click onto open, and then what we're going to do is come down to link select down here, and what we can do is again highlight it, come and click onto browse. We can use the other one for that one too. Once that's done, come down, click apply and OK, and as you can see, we've now got this really cool sword pointer. What you can do if you want to increase the size of this as well is if you come up to the search box at the top and just type mouse pointer size, click onto the recommended result, and you can see there's a slide bar here for the size, so you can change this. By doing this, so you may have to change the size first, and then of course go back and re-change your mouse using the mouse properties. So that is how to change mouse cursor on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.